Hello, I'm Piers Corbin from weatheraction.com, long-range weather and climate forecasters. And I'm going to tell you about our special conference on October the 28th this year in London. It's a conference on long-range weather and climate forecasting. And also it'll involve the changes, the future of long-range weather forecasting and the future of climate forecasting, and also the future of climate change policy, because all these things are bound together. So there'll be two basic things we're going to discuss at the conference and have speakers from a lot of places around the world making very interesting statements. First of all, we'll talk about the complete failure of the carbon dioxide theory of climate change and show that the solar weather technique and various ideas about solar connections with the weather are superior for predicting the weather in medium term, in long range months ahead, and can also do climate forecasting. So we'd be discussing there how to defeat the nonsense that goes out currently about climate change and put out in the name of what's called climate science. And then we'll go into a lot more about what our solar weather technique of long-range forecasting does. And we'll talk about advances we've made on that, how we've now got in a position where we can make highly skilled forecasts of extreme events around the world many months ahead, including typhoons, tropical storms, floods, and things of great importance to ward against human disasters. And we want to publicise those and get governments and others to take up our methods in order to save lives. And we'll talk about the scientific advances, where we know about the modulation of the lunar by the moon of the solar effects on Earth, and a number of other advances we're making in the theory of Sun-Earth magnetic connections. We'll talk about these things at the conference, and it will be very useful for anyone involved both in climate change science, climate change policy studies, and the actual physics of Sun-Earth relationships. If you're interested, get in touch via our website, weatheraction.com, or email me, piers@weatheraction.com. Thank you.